Hey, you got a case of the wandering welds? I had a case of those the other day, and I figured out what happened. Let's go to story time and talk about it. So I was working on this project that has these ramps welded and a platform. And specifically for MIG welding, I consider myself a pretty decent MIG welder. Not the best in the world, but better than a hobbyist. I do pretty good. And I was trying really hard the other day to keep my weld straight. And so some of them came out all right. So, like this one's decently straight. And then I had some welds like this, and it goes like this. And so I feel stupid, but I feel like public service announcement, I need to share my struggles. I was trying harder to keep the MIG welder gun straight, and no matter how hard I tried, it still wasn't going where I was pointing. So let's figure out why. So I was scrolling on social media the other day, and as we humans do nowadays, and one of the reels was like, hey, have you checked your consumables lately? And I haven't. So I got in here and looked, and the tip of my MIG gun has quite the wobble. It's about twice the tip. This is a 030 tip, is about twice the diameter of the wire. And that's where I was getting all of my wobble at. So if you're welding, your weld's getting sloppy, you're like, what the hell? I don't know why. Don't get mad. Check your consumables. It's probably been longer than you thought. Should get that changed out, and should be working fine. So like and subscribe if this was useful, and you go out in the shop and work on something.